Good morning, dear students. Let us start. We were doing lesson MS Word 2. Today I am telling you some more functions of the Microsoft Word. Have a look on the screen. Font dialog box is given. This dialog box is used to change the font size, color, face, etc., which I have told you already. You can see the first one, font, for changing the size, for changing the face of the font. Next one, font style, for making your font bold, italic, underline. At a time you can make your font bold, italic and underline. मीन्स आपका जो टेक्स्ट है उसे आप एक समय में बोल्ड, इटैलिक और अंडरलाइन इकट्ठा भी कर सकते हैं. फॉन्ट साइज, फॉर चेंजिंग द साइज ऑफ योर फॉन्ट. I have told you already about these options. After that, effects, check on the effects. Strike through and double strike. These options are used to give effect to your text in the way that your text will be printed by having a line on it. After that, subscript and superscript. I told you, for above the baseline or below the baseline you want to convert your text. The font dialog box is given in the home tab. Next one concept is margin. What is the margin? The space you want to give between the edge of the document and your text, means the space you want to leave, that is the margin. As you are looking your books, in the left side or right side some space is given blank. That blank space is known as the margin. The margin can be set as top margin, bottom margin, left margin and right margin. And how it is possible to set it? You can see the main window of the MS Word is given, and in this window ruler lines are given. By using these ruler lines you can set the margin. For setting the left margin, you can see it is going to be set. This distance shows the left margin, and from the top side this distance shows the top margin as it is given. You can see and from the ruler line you can set the bottom margin as well as right margin also. And not only from here, one dialog box is here in the paragraph or in the page setup. From that dialog box you can set the margin also. In the next concept it will come and I will show you from that dialog box how to change the margin, left, right, top or bottom. next one is alignment. Horizontal text alignment. It can be of the four types: left alignment, right alignment, center, and justify. You can see some text is typed here, and here four buttons are given. First one is for the left alignment, second one which it is selected, that is the center alignment, third one right alignment, and fourth one is the justify. Now what exactly it is? Suppose you are typing in the MS Word. By default the alignment is set to the left side, means whatever you are typing from the left side, your text is coming in a straight line, means it is aligned to the left, no matter from the right side how it is coming. It may not be that from the right side the text will not be in straight line or straight alignment. Suppose you are typing text and at the end of the line one lengthy word came and that word doesn't fit at the end of the line, that word will skip to the next line, and from the right side it may that alignment doesn't be in the straight line because we have chosen the alignment as the left, means from the left side it will come equal, that no matter from the right side it will come or not. And after selecting the text, suppose you have chosen the right alignment, whatever space was left from the left side, right side, it will be shifted to the left side because we have chosen the right alignment, and after choosing the right alignment the text will be aligned from the right side. The space which was left, that is given to the now left side. Earlier it was right side, now it is to the left side. And in the center case the space will be divided into the both of the side. For example, at the last of the line 8 characters were here, and from that 8 characters 4 character space will come to the left side and 4 character space will come to the right side. And in the justify, that 8 characters space will be adjusted into the complete line, means your text will be lined from the left side and right side, from the both of the sides. So thank you students. Even though if you have any problem you can WhatsApp me.